Can I put my, is it too much to ask for you? Can I put my lips on you?
Hello everyone, thank you for joining. This video will be an unboxing of the Bargain Bead Box September 2019 subscription. So let's open it up and see what's in here. I like how they wrap it up really nicely. And then they put it in a pretty organza bag. So let's see. So this month's bargain bead box is called Flight of Fancy. Your beads soar on rose gold wings through dreamy amethyst skies with this month's collection. Gemstones star with amethyst, quartz crystals, and agate selections. Glass and crystal accents in sunny jaquil, stormy gray, and sparkling peach combined with a selection of rose gold finished bindings to complete your look. And then they give you a coupon for 30% off your order. And then they have a contest. And then on the other side, they tell what it is. So we'll open these up, and I'm not opening them up in any particular order, and then they have a corresponding number as well as a chart to tell you a bit more about them. So this is a 9-inch strand of 4mm frosted glass round beads, and they're a matte gray color. This is a 7.5-inch strand, 8mm semi-round faceted crackle agate beads that are dyed. And these are purple. They're not coming up purple. They look rather blue. But these are actually purple color, different hues of purple. This is a 16-inch strand of natural amethyst tumbled pebble beads. And they sort of have various shapes. And these are very pretty, and they have kind of a purple hue to them as well. And then this is the 20-piece 6mm half ball steel ear stud findings with a plastic ear nut, and let's take a look at that. This is an 8-inch strand, 6x4mm Chinese crystal rondelle beads, metallic peach opal, and they're so shimmery. See the sparkle on them? I like that sparkle. And this is a 36mm brass wire wrapped natural amethyst pendant. This is a 23-inch This is a 23-inch strand 6mm glass half frosted barrel beads, jonquil AB. And these are really pretty, and I'm not sure if the camera is picking up all of this beauty, but it's colored on the ends, and then it has that clear middle, which really adds to the bead and adds to the design. I really like that. This is a 7.5-inch strand 10mm natural quartz round beads. And so these are clear, so they will go with whatever you decide to add them to. And then this is a 10-piece 10mm Chinese crystal coin beads, and they're smoked peacock iris. And I like the shape of them. I like that little sparkle that they have. Very, very pretty. And then number 7 is a 8-piece 16mm steel alloy lobster claw clasp. Getting a bit tongue-tied there. And this is a 50-piece 5mm corrugated saucer spacer beads. And they're like a rose gold kind of color. And this is a 30-piece 15mm feather charms. So these could easily be used as a connector, or they could be used as like a dangle. Lots of different ways these could be used. And this is 1 meter 3mm steel Rolo chain, and it's got that rose gold kind of color too. And I think pretty much everything else after this will be the rose colored themes. And so these are 10 grams of 21 gauge 50mm brass eye pins. And we'll just take a couple out to have a look. And then what I like is that if you don't have any findings that are this color, like maybe a jump ring or something, you could always take this and make a jump ring, and that way you would have a matching jump ring color. This is a 42mm filigree style wing pendants, and 2 comes in the pack, and there are lots of creative ways to use this. This is a 20-piece 8mm 6-point bead caps. So you would put this, I guess you could use it as a spacer if you wanted to, but you could put this on the end of your bead to just add a little style and pizzazz to a bead of some sort. And this is a 20-piece 25mm feather links. Oh, I'm sorry. No, that's right. I read that right. Yeah. 20-piece 25mm feather links. I don't know. I thought the other ones would be more of a feather link since it had it on both ends. This right here, because this has a hole on both ends. I think that would be better as a link. But yeah, so that completes my unboxing, and I can't wait to design with this and see what I come up with. Now, I'll be honest, I am not fond of rose gold. I don't really know what colors I'm gonna put with it. You know, maybe white, maybe black. I'm not sure. So we'll just have to wait and see what I come up with. But thank you for watching, and if anyone is interested in the in a link to get a couple of dollars off, let me know. Bye.